David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. In this video, I'm going to discuss why RobinHood is bad and why the RobinHood app is very bad for all the people who use it. So my gut feeling, and I have no idea about the statistic that I'm about to throw out, but my gut feeling is that the majority of the people who use RobinHood actually lose money. And the reason is, when you go into the RobinHood groups on Facebook, you see that all of these people who are using RobinHood are buying options. That's like it's not the dumbest thing possible. The dumbest thing possible that you could do is like day trading or follow. I definitely think that buying options is a better strategy than buying one of those other people's programs. But I definitely also believe that RobinHood is very bad for you because it encourages you, because you can't sell naked options, but you can buy naked options. It encourages all these people to display the 20 or 30% of their trades that are winners, and they are not displaying the 70 to 80% of their trades that are losers, because they all want to feel social validation that they're actually legitimate, profitable traders and they have a good strategy. So instead, what they do is they go on Facebook and they show their winners. Some of them, they win like 1 or 200% on a trade, and then they don't show all the losing trades, the 70 to 80% of their trades that lose money, and all of them who buy options end up losing money. It's just a question of when they're going to lose money. So with enough occurrences, the more you trade, if you trade something, if you flip a coin and it only has a 30 or 20 or 30% probability of profit, you might win the first 2 times that you flip the coin. But if you flip that coin 10,000 times and you're making bets on every single coin flip, eventually you're going to run out of money because the probability is against you. So what RobinHood does is it encourages these people to post their winning trades and make it look like buying options is actually a sustainable and viable strategy, which we all know that it's not. And then other people get roped in because they think that it's an easy way to make money. And then these people have a continuation and they persist in this fake strategy of buying options, and then they eventually all end up losing all their money. So forget like the other stuff about even RobinHood not allowing you to sell naked options, or the fact that they sell out their people and they get like worse fills. I mean, to me, that is secondary to the fact that you have limited flexibility and you are encouraged to purchase options, and RobinHood does not. RobinHood actually discourages people from selling naked options, when selling naked options is the best strategy that any individual retail investor can possibly have to be consistently and predictively profitable in the stock market. So this is David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. I would definitely stay away from using the RobinHood app because it encourages you to establish very bad and negative habits that you're then going to have to spend time to break them when you transition to a real broker. So most of the people on RobinHood, they have less than $10,000. I guess using RobinHood when you have like $2,000 or $3,000 so you can make commission-free trades is fine. But once you want to get serious about making money and you want to stop, just caring about posting your bullshit trades to a Facebook group so that other people can tell you how awesome you are, when we all know that you're not really making money. Once you really want to get serious about upping your game and learning a verifiable skill and making consistent money, you really have to get off RobinHood, because it's a bullshit platform and it doesn't provide you with the flexibility of being able to trade naked options. It encourages you to establish bad habits. And if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and I'm here to help you. Thanks.